in two folds. And paying for a BM for application. And I'm paying for so a search team. A year they bring different headhands. Until wow bet me receive yaba. And a one confront so and paying for Ankasa Gidi say, you're ready a year penna, you bet me a cock near no macodin come say, on Major Jumadenti, a yes, two equiniano. And then I walk for the final determination of when the baby coach blasters. Now, Rich, empenying for fast our process in the mono. Omu benya edin bebrea. Oma sono so. It's me a closely list no about number very very few. And out of that number no, empenying for are running interviews on those coaches and agents. Nti ebiobo the first time I was in here. Interviews are also for the shortlisted coaches or more expressive interest any young kasa so ya approach you for the Blasters job. Nti enra within the process the course was that omo go through process our my interviews based on ranking of the process submit the shortlist nankasa to the general ESCO. So yeah process both ye receive CVs or my head anti omo or my ye gitum say omo no betima ye adwuma ye no for interviews we in terms of ranking when the kind when the top say about 3 to 5
shortlist
and then paying for the man the general ESCO say these are now your top 5. And the top 5, ain't yet just top 5. And your top 5 that are ranked.
Okay.
Into number 1,
number 2, number 3.
Yes, yeah, now we are. Then we go to. Now, what is left? Intia Enra Edin Amabontin. The final consultation with the contract details. Inti during the interview, Edia baby say, okay, we'll seek our expectations. Yes, send our Beijing and this animal. And they know coach Biane, the one mention, say, or person OG within figure bia, or person OG ever honum. Now, what is left? And I say, you see, unse Ghana Hano, Jumedia ya buying the Chiano. You need to consult a buying ye through the chief of staff, through the finance ministry, with the sports ministry, na oma jatum say okay say also your option A, option B, option C. We so obaji we ya. Yen susu ye hwe yen kranta mu a. Ye sika sem no even though ye di kan mamo no baba ye say ye ready to pay for an elite coach no. E bia yen so ye we ceiling bi. Yen pese ye betra we. Na okay say mo si we oye top pa. Or deserve amount now one mention so on that sad conversation, it must be locked. Na omajia to mu ansana. Omatimi the announcement naba. So that is baby Edru. The final nitty-gritties of the contracts, the figures vis-a-vis abaye are convinced to pay any money. That is where it has gotten to. And per the information I have available to Ensure Sports Desk now. Rich, it may not be likely by Monday they will finish our final process now. But within the week in the year, we will go very, very far with it.
The minister can say at Chakra by Monday.
Yes, that was the tentative data minister the man. Yeah. But per information, may work after annual meeting, and the subsequent scheduled meetings are on mobile year with a bellum paying for the adeno.
Because they are back and forth,
exactly. So they are not so sure.
They can finish
yes, on Monday, especially when these are buying paying for me have other engagements and so tentatively within next week there must be a closure. At least within next week there must be a closure. Say a buying in Nhyira to say or meet Metua and that this coach, that coach, way or deserve say. Now let's close the docket and make the announcement now on best strategy. So that is what Rich information at Ewoho. Now out of the shortlist now say bababonti. Unse no mbeka say once ye media for there Rich, we will continue to speculate.
And a part of the job.
Of course.
Enti
minim omo mutie no omo hwe no. Me sure say the latest speculation about with rumor the Spanish Felix Sanchez Bass. Na Rich metimi akeze say he's not even close to the job. Na
the shortlist no.
No, he's not part of it. Me wa background information why his name came into the media space, you know. Unse me catch say a Spanish journalist Matthew Moreto and a reporter and a Ghanaian
media
and so FI so Moreto reported there. Now this is what happened. There is one lady called Lydia. She's a very, very good agent when it comes to coaches. Or no, Anna, on behalf of the agent and in a connection with the GFA, a submitted Felix Sanchez in the CV. And he submitted his CV, no. And or catch a coach in the agency. So finally, he has been able to put in the CV for him. Rich, it is suspected that when the communication got back to them, so now your CV is in, no. And now say coach Bia ne friend in the media.
I know no
catch the media man. So Charlie. Finally, Metimia ran into the process of the Ghana job because he has coached Qatar and other less fancy countries. Or no, my national team na ye Juma. But Rich, pay me information. Yes, the CV was submitted, but he's not really part of Omo a year consider Omo gidi for the job.
Now, Portuguese for Carlos Cruz no money adeno.
You see, okay, this is what my final way. Information me. Out of the list and the rumored names, you know, there is one
out of the three.
Names no just a trepena, but baby about
no me make Portuguese. No me three. Bento.
Okay. Me I'm me limiting me.
Oh, okay.
To Portuguese. I understand. Because there was even Joachim Low and Sagana where mobile and there are other names and conforce are thrown about.
Well, I started with Ragragui, no money.
You get it. Out of all the rumored names now, Abba system, no. Rich, there is only one or two that came more closer to the final way, no.
Okay.
Inti enye bebre na yet no. Enyina na omo strong consideration at this point. Metimi aka chompo say with baby a decision edru no. There's probably only one. Nidin ewo in the rumor mill nima. He is still within range. Say if he's able to match up the last negotiations now, akana probably obetimi enye adwuma no. Apart from ono there, omo kan ho omo nyina strong contenders no. Edimpo has not been mentioned even in and around the media for now. Medical can say it do some time we are rich. Any analysis o. Enye kasa bebre. Just feeding our audience with the information. As and when information for Bebano, but when the coach is named, then we can start our analysis on the name itself. Nejuma Awaye, whether he fits the Blasters and the problems na nim say where Blasters if he is capable, say obetimi solve our problem no. And obetimi adhere to the promised land when we go to the war.
Sure. Because yenya name coach, you know, and the analysis na betimi aye. So what I say, until say bia e be name coach na bia, ya to say the na Ayala kan coach no ni dwumadie no any black star problems o sisi no. A coach obetimi aboan. I mean, Satan ni there. We can have a conversation around it, but now that's still down the whole process of naming a coach in them say hold you on. But I'm saying Ayala with information on the mind, no. And at the end, back and forth, yeah. Because Black Stars and they are bind there. I'm going to pay masters. It is also Okofa coach with Naba, the Abani between Abani so OGF and only the confess him. So what I say. And after so I interview ne what Punya at the NSA about 1 or 2, 3, whatever no. And all the come up buying.
Yeah.
Now bounce when the foot knows okay. You share a foot me if you so okay, coach with ye. We are okay with the Sika Samnia, the bit me as on mine own. Now you're moving on from that end. Meaning,
Rich,
Josh, maybe a person there be an AVMD games in home come on.
Yeah, Black Stars and community, there's a lot of interest because of the fact say property is a property of the state. Into whatever comes out of Black Stars and Common, utu say Ghana ni biya why crowd say opese utina unhu echo. But me person me bisa Ayala same way. And now me te report me say it looked like Hervé Renard was interested in the job. A unconfirmed report. But me person me bisa kakra. So if there's something behind it, at least.
Oh, say Anukra Ayala danu betrim. Say ye call hono. Also the cat call.
No, okay. This is.
I'm sorry, Saudi Arabia.
Who communicating say ana clear. Hervé Renard is under contract with Saudi Arabia, and as a professional, there is no way obetimi afetri enu abedi nkomo bebre. So o shows also by the pen beach. Wakasa kwa unjini ndibiem. Say obi a oye under contract with a national team. Na all free the mind to speak to you, feel it as if say only any contractual obligation. The concentration now should be on the Saudi Arabian and how to prepare Mako World Cup. Now, what I know, and Saudi Arabia say, it's not factual. Some make say Argentina American minim say a fact in America. But I try to make reason why. Yepamu otowe no. In us looking for the next coach, we decided that one day it is a fact. We decided say, ye better ye search process to only look for a coach. I the Ghana Blasters ever call World Cup win kwa answer. Enti obi a otie passports there. The person already know, and it's the first time I would say in here. You did kind of say the search for why the baby replace you to has not come in with a long term idea. What they are doing right now is they are looking for a coach or they ever go World Cup when aba. It is after the World Cup, and then paying for you might say they will take a decision as to who takes the Blasters long term. Then Anameka say, look. The only reason
the
only reason I goes away is probably when coach be a year penopa. Am I in the word say, look, and commit me about the age medina mama. But in Pempredi, means me emba because me work contractual obligation with another country to take them to the same World Cup. But some moment in your time, me bo World Cup, then I will come. Say, or you'll be a you wouldn't muji pa. Now you did say, it is what's a year China. And we will, ye long term projects never China. Near probably short term, I World Cup number. Near we are. Ye the ex in go on the basket Maka say he is our coach for the long term. That is the only reason why I mean say and that is where the Hervé Renard comes in.
Okay.
That is where and Rich, let me catch you say in the last 10 years, say open a coach or bet me taking the decision that we've taken. It will be him.
Sure.
It will be him. And see, as somebody that is what I suspect.
I mean, Josh, are you okay?
But according to reports, I know and it's unconfirmed. They said it's unconfirmed. What I heard was that on when Hervé Renard didn't come on, it wasn't an extensive conversation. So that's number one. Number 2, and he said he looked like he was ready to accept the Black Stars job long term. Into both the medium, short, medium, and long term. Say, or the Black Stars back World Cup. And then after that, he would continue, especially with AFCON away in 2027, 2028. But it looked like they could not agree on Sika Ebetiano. That is an unconfirmed reporter. And in Namriam.
It's unconfirmed.
No, but you see, you say, as if you even get a report, whether confirmed or unconfirmed, Rich, the truth lies in the analysis of the situation. Timer, Ebeto just say, Walid Wagagri, Ekwakoji, Saudi Arabian job, no? And that will free Hervé Renard. There was a conversation, he was linked, say, oh, so obey free, obey my beggar. Now, it was within that same week. And L'Equipe, our France, every report is, oh, no, Hervé Renard will not be available for any other job because he is set to take Saudi Arabia to the World Cup. Now, once that was confirmed in France, and Ghana, it was confirmed by L'Equipe, say, Omuku Munino, ono the Saudi Arabia beko World Cup. It took away any other unconfirmed reports that would suggest Ghana had a chance with Hervé Renard at the World Cup. Because I know the contract or dada, Juma or dada.
Because me can say your German me busa Fedachi. Because now Chibusam said me ha coach Bena or ya available and ke fan and I'm so Hervé Renard. No, that's Hervé Renard no. On Saudi Arabia or ties. Into a bed na
you get it. There is no window. That is what I want to make. There is no window for Yebetimi the post World Cup. His availability home come. But so because Hervé Renard to me so the ever work, he can't take 2 countries to the World Cup.
Already or the Saudi Arabia.
He just can't take 2 countries to the World Cup. And once France, biggest sports paper, I confirm and say the man is taking Saudi Arabia there. Then there is 0 chance he is connected to anything Ghana. 0.
In Ghana Premier League, you know, week 29, and Adriana share Gold Stars come you know, I'm a Gold Stars it's a kind of bako.